Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 best films that were mostly set in underwater.
I came because I had no choice.
Despite the complicated nature of making an aquatic film, there have been a number over the years that have really stood the test of time. While some may be of higher quality, this list features films that can be considered the best due to their impact on the industry and how iconic they are.
It is as if God.
Waterworld. Waterworld is one of the most infamous films in history since it was incredibly expensive but quite the flop at the box office. The Kevin Costner movie lost the studio millions, and yet it is still remembered as a filmmaking attempt. The production itself had a lot of problems, but what is more fascinating is that the concept is genuinely interesting. In fact, there is still plenty of ideas that really work, and it really feels like Mad Max at sea.
Those who survive. Wrong person.
Aquaman. Aquaman is a relatively recent movie to feature on this list, but it demonstrated that Warner Brothers was able to adapt one of the most difficult DC characters to bring to the screen. For years, Aquaman has been a bit of a joke.
Trust me, I am no king.
Might want to strap in.
While taken seriously in the comics, it seemed impossible to bring Arthur Curry to cinemas without it coming off as cheesy. But with some great writing, breathtaking special effects, and a story that relied upon the comics, Aquaman was a massive success.
Arthur is talking to the fish.
Permission to come aboard.
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. One of the absolute classic in the Disney archives, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea is gaining some new appreciation thanks to its availability on Disney Plus streaming service. The famous ship itself is even honored at some of Disney's parks.
This, you are not only
Go ahead, you can't miss it.
Based on the classic novel of the same name, a submarine known as the Nautilus, captained by Nemo, investigate a mystery that has been going on for some time. They go on an adventure to try to discover where all of these lost ships are really disappearing to.
4 great stars. Ned Land. God away.
Finding Dory. Pixar has started to work on sequels more and more these days, especially since their full merger with the Walt Disney Company. However, sometimes the follow-up film doesn't quite stand up to the original.
Poor baby. Let me get that for you.
This is the case for Finding Dory, but despite the movie is still as charming and as fun. With Dory lost looking for her family, Marilyn and Nemo team up for the first time on screen to try to rescue her. It's a great family adventure with some thrilling animation.
There you are! Look out! Ah! Look!
Pirates of the Caribbean: The Curse of the Black Pearl. Another Disney hit. When the company initially announced it would create a film based on a ride, many were skeptical as to what the results would be. The success of the original ended up spawning multiple sequels and now even a new spin-off franchise.
You cannot be killed.
The original film is often considered to be the best though, with the iconic Captain Jack Sparrow being introduced to the audiences for the first time. Scary, exciting, and verging on the fantastically easy to swept away by the swashbuckling adventure.
We must save.
Jaws. Steven Spielberg's legacy is certainly going to be defined by a few key films from throughout his career. It's fair to say that Jaws is absolutely going to be one of them, as it essentially came to inspire a whole new genre.
That a girl got killed here last week.
Without the original shark movie, the world would have never ended up with the Meg or Piranha. While that may be appealing to some, it's hard to deny the impact the film had on the film industry, or for that matter, the effect that music had on the rest of cinema.
And without logic. It is as if God.
Finding Nemo. Pixar often tops the list considering the complex emotional themes it manages to balance alongside some state-of-the-art animation and gorgeous storytelling techniques. Finding Nemo is actually a production that featured early into Pixar's history. The animation was incredibly difficult considering nearing all of the film took place underwater. Despite the difficulties of making a film like this, the production team achieved what was almost impossible and created a masterpiece of animated movie making. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.